Hello children, today we are going to see the vegetables. So there's a lot of vegetables that we eat every day or we cook every day, right, at home. So we'll see what are all the vegetables. So what are vegetables? Vegetables are the ones which we get from plants. So there is a lot of vegetables. So let's see one by one. What do you see here? So these are all vegetables with different names. The first one, what you see like an umbrella, this is a mushroom. The brinjal, that's purple in color. The carrot, the ginger, this is cauliflower, turnip, capsicum, French beans, onion. Then we have the yam, lotus stem, spinach. This is the methi leaves, the jackfruit, the garlic. So all these vegetables will be there at home. Ask mama to show you some of them which are there at home. So all these are vegetables that we eat every day, which is very healthy, and these are all healthy foods which helps us grow. There's a lot of other vegetables also that we don't see here. Say for example, there's one more list. Let's see one by one. The first one, what you see here is a cabbage, then the tomato, this is the potato. Potato, all of you must be liking it, right? The French fries that we make from potato. Then we have brinjal, onion, broccoli, capsicum, ashgard, carrots, garlic. Then we have cucumbers, the turnip, the cauliflower, the peas, the broccoli, the pumpkin, right? Lots of vegetables we have every day at home, and we eat them to grow healthy. So there's a lot of vegetables. Out of these vegetables, the vegetables can be classified or split into three types. One is the underground vegetables, that is the vegetables which grow under the mud, under the soil. Those are called underground vegetables. And then there are some vegetables which we eat which look like leaf. Those are called leafy vegetables. Then there are other vegetables which grow, just you have to pluck it from the plant. So that is beans and gourds. So there are three types of vegetables. One is the underground vegetables which comes under the mud or the soil. Then there are vegetables which look like leaves, which we call them as leafy vegetables. And there are other vegetables which are called as beans and gourds. So let's see it one by one. So what you see here are all these vegetables are all root vegetables or the underground vegetables. Where do they grow? It is under the ground. Under the ground in the sense it is in the mud, inside the mud. They are not seen until you take the mud out. Okay, so they are under the mud. So what are those vegetables? We can see one by one. See, we see a ginger, a sweet potato, radish, this is beetroot, and the last one is carrot. So that's the same thing which I have put it here. So you can see sweet potato, beetroot, the potatoes, the turnips, the onions. These are all underground vegetables which grow under the soil or the mud. The next type of vegetable what we were talking about is the leafy vegetable. See, look at look at these vegetables. They are all looking leaves, like leaves. Yes, so these are all called leafy vegetables. The cabbage is also a leafy vegetable. So these leafy vegetables are very good for health. They have a lot of iron, vitamins and minerals which helps our hair grow, our nails grow. So they have a lot of vitamins which all of you should eat every day at home. You cannot say I don't like this, I like that. Everything is good for health. Everything is a healthy food. Next time when I talk to you, I will check with all of you who are all eating healthy food. Okay, all these vegetables what we saw, the underground vegetables. If you say carrot is very good for your eyes. Okay, if you say potato, it has carbohydrates which gives you a lot of energy. like that all vegetables have some benefits for us. So these are leafy vegetables. The vegetables which look like leaves are leafy vegetables. See, here we see spring onions, then lettuce, cabbage, all these leaves we use it in our everyday cooking. Then curry leaves, methi leaves, these are all called leafy vegetables. So now we have seen two types of vegetables. One is the underground vegetables and the other one is the leafy vegetables. Now we come to the third type, that's the beans and gourds. So did you see how these vegetables are growing? So in underground vegetables, what did we see? The vegetables are under the mud, right, under the soil. Then the leafy vegetables are the leaves which we see, right? The third type of vegetable, the beans and the gourds, will be in the plants like this. They will be hanging from the plant. So the first one which you see here, this is a ash gourd. Then the brinjals, the small pumpkins, the lemons, and the look at this. This is beans. See, beans are hanging from the plant. And then this one, look at it, how long it is. It is called bottle gourd. So all these vegetables we should eat whenever we cook it at home. These all gives us strength and they all make us grow healthy. So what are the vegetables we saw? Underground vegetables, leafy vegetables, beans and gourds. All of you have to remember this, okay?